Morning guys, I'm in the middle of a fat loss program, so I thought I'd take you through a full day of eating. First up, I'm going to be doing 35 to 40 minutes of fasted walking. Going to take two things before that. I'm going to have 5 grams of essential amino acids, and I'm also going to have a cup of green tea. Having 5 grams of essential amino acids. These taste horrendous, but they're going to help me hold on to muscle and burn mostly fat on my walk. You could use BCAAs if you wanted to. They aren't as good, but in pill form they're easier to take. Not pleasant. I'm brisk walking, got my podcast on. It's not a race, but I'm walking like I have somewhere to be, and I like to pick places near where I live that are quite hilly. So breakfast is going to be quite a big meal. I'm going to have 2 pieces of sourdough bread, and with that 4 eggs and a whole avocado. Afternoon now, there's no weights today, just conditioning. I work off the Grayskull conditioning PDF. Today I've gone with the 20 kilo sandbag squats. I'm going to do 50 with a touchdown between each rep. So after conditioning, I normally have some carbs. Today it's 70 grams of quinoa with some chicken, lots of veg thrown in. I also chop up nuts, and today it's going to be pumpkin seeds just to boost my fat levels for the meal. Today is going to be salmon, but I sometimes substitute in 2 tins of mackerel instead. There's veg with this meal as well. I find that the more you can pack out your meals with veg, the less you feel any hunger. Total for the day is 1750 calories. That's all recorded with the MyFitnessPal app. I go for 2 grams of protein per kilo of body weight, and then fat and carbs depending on how I feel and whether I'm going to the gym that day. I started my calorie deficit 3 weeks ago, and in that time I've lost 1.3 kilos, around 3 pounds. Thanks for watching guys. If you're interested in lifting weights and getting in shape, then please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Cheers.